Situated in Singapore's West End, the Jurong Bird Park is the biggest and the most incredible bird park in the whole of Southeast Asia. A great tourist attraction of Singapore, this bird park was opened on 3rd of January in the year 1971. This wonderful avian park houses over 7,000 birds falling under 600 species. The uniqueness of this park that makes it a great success lies in its physical structure, which resonates the natural habitat of these feathered species. Watching these winged creatures is a true fascination for everyone. Many activities are organized inside the park to amuse the visitors. Various bird shows like All-Star Bird Show and the Birds of Prey Show are good ways to enjoy in this park. In these shows, birds are made to perform various acts to entertain the spectators. These bird shows are an apt way to begin one's tour. Get captivated by the lovely mimicking cockatoos, flamingos and pelicans. Gaze in awe at the falcons and hawks and enjoy every sight of these wonderful birds at the Jurong Bird Park.